Here's a 5D perception thought to share. We are having auditions for those new humans who want to lead the new human 5D movement, the new human manifesting new earth, creating it right now. That new earth is inside of you. Are you a new human? We ask that you read our book. Are you at 5D yet? You're invited. If you're in 5D, create your 5D message, create your 5D video, share it. We're looking for the leaders of the new earth. Are you a leader in the new earth, 5D world, the new earth? Are you a champion of life? Are you a leader? Are you a director? Are you an encourager? Are you a supporter? Are you an advocate? That's the vibrational frequency of 5D. Are you at 5D yet? You're invited. Show us what you got. The Spiritual Quest.